the mother of Somaliland. In 1945, in the dust of British Somaliland, an 8-year-old girl was led into a room by her mother and grandmother. Her father, a prominent doctor, was away on business. That afternoon, Edna Aden, Ismail, became a victim of female genital mutilation.
I remember the pain, I remember the betrayal. But most of all, I remember my father's fury when he returned. He knew, even then, that this was a theft of dignity.
The trauma didn't break her, it forged her. She became a woman of firsts. The first Somali girl to study in Britain, the first qualified nurse midwife, and the first woman in her country to sit behind the wheel of a car.
Her life was a balancing act between the stethoscope and the State House. As the wife of Prime Minister Mohammed Ibrahim Egal, she navigated high politics. But when civil war tore the nation apart, Edna was forced into exile. Her dreams of a national hospital buried under rubble.
She returned in the late 90s to a land of ghosts. She asked the government for land at Dola Hospital. They gave her a former rubbish dump.
People laughed, they said, "Edna is building a hospital on a pile of trash." I told them, no, I am building a future on the only foundation I have.
The Edna Aden Maternity Hospital opened in 2002. It wasn't just a building, it was a revolution in a region where maternal mortality was a death sentence. Edna began training an army of midwives.
She didn't stop at medicine. She took her fight to the cabinet, serving as Somaliland's first female foreign minister. She became the Muslim Mother Teresa, not by retreating from the world, but by demanding a change.
My work will be finished when the last girl in Africa is safe from the knife, and the first cry of every newborn is met with a qualified pair of hands. Edna Aden Ismail began with a shovel and a dream.
Today, she has an army of healers, but the battle against maternal mortality and FGM continues.
Recipient of the 2023 Templeton Prize. Over 30,000 babies delivered at the Edna Aden Hospital. Founder of the Edna Aden University.
Edna Aden Ismail, a midwife to a nation.